Rose, and I am here in Barangay Pilahe for a community cleanup drive to help keep our surroundings clean and safe. So now I'm going to show you some video clips of our community cleanup drive here in Barangay Pilahe.
Every breath you take, every move you make.
Why do some people choose not to participate?
Ayan, amo mga kapurok, kabarangay, kay dili makaatinan yung tagbo or mga meeting, kalihukan sa amo barangay kay ang iba niya yung mga trabaho o ang iban isa may mga pano ng mga lain importante.
How important is participation in community development?
Wala na ipagbata.
Ono ka importante ang community participation para sa development.
Sige na.
How important is participation in community development?
Importante yung sa amo matag household, amo kabarangay, para mahibawan sa namo ang mga project kag mga para ma-develop kung unoy madayaw na kuan himuon may amo sa mga pundo sa amo purok mahibaw sad kami kung unoy project na angay himuon sa amo purok.
Okay, thank you. So, I'm going to answer some questions as a student. So, number 1, how was my experience participating? My experience joining the cleanup drive was good and I felt happy helping our community. So, number 2, what did I learn? I learned that even small actions like picking up trash can really help the environment. So, the last one is, why is participation important? Participation is important because when people help, the community becomes cleaner and safer for everyone.